The Apostle Story, Acts chapter 1. My friend Theophilus, for the book wey I first write give you, I talk about all the things wey Jesus Christ start to dey do and teach, until the day when God come carry am go heaven, after he give order to the apostles, wey he choose with the Holy Spirit. Na the same apostles he show himself many times say he still dey alive, after the suffer wey he suffer. Dem see am for 40 days and he tell dem about God kingdom. Then when he follow dem sit down dey talk, he come command dem say,
make una not leave Jerusalem, but make una wait for the thing wey my papa promise, wey I don tell una before. John dey baptize with water, but e no go tey when God go baptize una with the Holy Spirit, wey go control una life forever.
So when dem gather, dem come start to ask Jesus Christ.
Oga, na now you go start to rule Israel?
Jesus answer dem,
The time wey God plan no concern una, but una go get power when the Holy Spirit don enter una life. And una go tell people about me for Jerusalem, for everywhere, for Judea and Samaria, go reach all the far place wey dey this world.
So after he don talk with dem, God come carry am up until cloud cover am and dem no fit see am again. As dem still dey look up as he dey go, two men wey wear white cloth stand near dem come say,
Galilee people, na wetin make una stand there dey look heaven like that? This Jesus Christ wey God don carry go heaven today go still come back the same way wey una see am dey go heaven.
So dem waka go back to Jerusalem from Mount Olives, wey dey near Jerusalem, and the place wey dem waka so far pass how the Lord dey allow people waka for Sabbath day. When dem enter Jerusalem, dem come go the room for upstairs where dem dey stay. Peter and John, James and Andrew, Philip and Thomas, Bartholomew and Matthew, James wey be Alphaeus pikin, Simon wey dem dey call Zealot, and Judas wey be James pikin, na all of dem gather for there. Dem come dey pray together every day with one mind, with all the women plus Mary, Jesus Christ mama and im brothers. The people wey dey pray plenty reach 120. So Peter stand up for the people front come say,
My brothers, the word wey the Holy Spirit use David talk about Judas, wey show road to the people wey arrest Jesus Christ, must happen, because e dey our group before and e dey follow us do the work. This Judas buy one land with the money wey he collect for the wicked thing wey he do, and na there he hang himself till him belle burst and all in intestine come scatter come out. So tey all the people for Jerusalem hear the story, and na him make dem dey call the place for their language Akaldama, wey mean blood land. For Psalm book, God word say, make him house empty, make nobody stay there again, and make another person take him place. So make one person from the men wey dey follow us since the time wey Oga Jesus Christ dey with us, from when dem baptize am until he go up leave us, make he come join us tell people the truth say Jesus Christ don raise up from grave.
so dem choose two men, one na Joseph wey dem dey call Barsabbas, but other people dey call am Justus, and the other one na Matthias. Then dem come pray,
Oga Jesus Christ, na you know wetin dey inside everybody mind. Make you show us the person wey you want among these two people, so that he go take Apostle Judas wey kill himself place.
na im dem come vote to choose between the two men, and the person wey dem choose na Matthias.